Now let us look at volume on the chart. This is the chart of HDFC Bank and this is a daily chart. To add the volume indicator, we will go and select this option, that is the indicator option. If you click, a drop down of all the indicators will come. You just type in volume and the volume is here. You click on the volume and it will be added. Now this is the volume. Now this is the price and this is the volume. Now as in price, the green means buy. Similarly, the green volume means also buyer's volume. That means demand is high. Now it cannot be like this that buyers are more, sellers are less, because when someone is selling, someone is buying. But what this indicator means that the buying or the demand is more than the supply. So huge buying volume has come. Similarly, when we see a red volume, that means huge selling volume has come or huge supply is there. And this is the 20 moving average. This is the 20 moving average. Now when the volume level is below this 20 moving average, we can say that the relative volume is low, and when the candles or the volume bars are above this 20 moving average, then we can say that the volumes are more. Now you can see that at this point of time, now if we zoom out a bit, this was the volume that was generated, a huge sell volume, and the price fell. Now you can see that the sell volume came first, then the price fell, and then it consolidated around this level. Now here the price is going up. Although the price is going up at this point, but the volume is not going up. So the price has made higher highs. Now if we draw a trend line over here, you can see the price are making higher highs, but here the volume is not making higher high. Instead it is making lower highs. Now the volume is making lower high, but the price here you can see is making higher high. Now this is a volume divergence. Now we know that whenever there is a divergence, it's a sign of reversal. That means a reversal is on its way. May not be immediately, but on its way. Then what happens? It continues to rise, but on this day, reversal was signaled because it made higher highs, but the volume made lower highs and the volume level dropped So if the price is going up but with less volume, that means it's a weak uptrend or maybe a retracement after a fall. So the uptrend is weakening. So it just continued there, stayed in a range, went up, and not far from here it fell down. So that is the thing that you need to notice when you are watching the volume. Now see how much the price fell. See, from here till here. Now this was this point, it is 1255 and this is 1003. So near about 200 point, more than 200 point it fell. Now you can see that here huge sell volume at an already established trend. That means a reversal is on its way. And what do we see next? It's slowly retracing and going up. It again falls down and it's ultimately going up. So you can see the price will go up was signaled right on this day. Huge volume and a fall. That, and on this day also it said that already established trend and a huge volume, so bottom is not far away, and that's what happened. This is the bottom. So you can see that before the price signaled that is going up, the volume signaled that the price may go up. Now here you can see that the prices are going up and in the same way the volume is also huge. That means this is kind of an uptrend that is on the line. And what do we see? It is going up. So before the price indicates, the volume is indicating, and you can, if you know how to read it, you can get something out of it. This makes it one of the most important tools in technical analysis.